How to mark attendance using one app. Open one business app. Click on Applets and select the attendance marking feature. In case you do not see attendance here, click on the Add More Applets button and select it from the A la carte section. You can see all the features of this applet, along with the actual screens, on how it will appear for you and for your users here. Before you mark attendance, ensure there are groups created in your app. Click on Users. Select Groups. Create groups and add users first. If you have already done this step, let us move forward to the attendance marking feature. Once you open the attendance applet, select today's date and click on the plus button. Give a name for the session you wish to mark attendance for. I am typing maths. Attendance can be marked for a single session or for a whole day. If you select single session, there is an option to enter the start time and end time. Click on Next and select the group you wish to mark attendance for. Select the names of those who were present manually. If everyone was present, you can click on the All option above. Now, the attendance is marked. Let us click on the attendance that we just created and see the list of users who were present and absent. The Export button below allows you to export this data to a CSV file. Users get instantly notified when attendance is marked. In your business app, select the Check Records option to see the attendance marked for any group on any particular day. Attendance Applet is a powerful feature that digitizes marking attendance for any business, such as schools, small organizations, interest groups, residents association, churches and so on.